This is VCY America, WVCY FM Milwaukee, Christian Information Radio. In his brand new book, Dr. Charles Stanley reminds us that the Lord of the universe came to us as a gift. The VCY Bookstore and Outreach Center is offering his new book called The Gift of Jesus at 45% off during November. This book helps us understand that Jesus identifies with us completely because he was born and lived in our world too. Each of the 14 short chapters includes a thought-provoking aspect of Christ's birth, questions and room to journal, a special quote-unquote gift for today statement, and lyrics to a beloved hymn. Rediscover the Christmas story, or pass this on to someone you know that needs the gift of Jesus. Charles Stanley's new book, The Gift of Jesus, is 45% off through November 30th. Get your copy at our store in Milwaukee on 107th and Capitol Drive. You can also order by calling 414-463-1770. We're open 10 to 6 weekdays and 10 to 4 on Saturdays. Or shop anytime online at vcy.com.